those power games, because those confrontations of the past, of the Cold War, have not given us anything. We might have got a lot of money from here or there, but somehow it has not helped our people. So we want to focus on our people, on our economy, both east and west, north. We want to have good relations, including India. We already have great relations with China. We have had, hot and cold, but generally very stable relations with Iran. And I don't want to even tell you the, history of relations with Afghanistan. Despite the changes that have occurred there since August 15, 2021, we want to have pragmatic, good, normal relations with India, with Afghanistan. Sadly, despite our sincere wishes, we don't have a good report card to show you. We are having serious problems at times, and if you have followed the speech of our Interior Minister, giving you the stats, even just recent 24 suicide attacks that happened on our soil, 14 of those were Afghan nationals. So we have a host of issues with Afghanistan, but we want to be a good neighbor. We can't change geography. We can't change neighbors. So we would like to have good relations with them. We have great relations with the wider Middle East. We still maintain those good ties, but we are shifting all those ties and focusing on economy. We are focusing on trade. I'm sure you are aware of the new initiative that took place during last government, and we are continuing SIFC, Special Investment Facilitation Council. The spearhead of that council is economy, trade, exploring new opportunities. So we want to be a peaceful state within our boundaries, and we want to promote those relations, and that's all I could offer when you are not mentally ready and you are thrust to speak when you had no clue you would be speaking. Thank you.
Thank you, Murtaza Solangi Sahab. Exactly, this was the deliberation of our this session, where we spoke about having more regional approach. We had discussed issues with